Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a vintage partner chainsaw. This saw was made in the 70s. Has a 20-inch barn chain, 3/8 pitch, sprocket nose. And this saw has been setting in storage for years. It does start and run. You've got to do some cleaning on it if you want to run it for a chainsaw for firewood cutting every day. They're pretty collectible. You don't see many of these around anymore. They're way ahead of their time. Very lightweight, very powerful running chainsaws. Tensioners over here. Loosen the two nuts up. Tensioners right here. It's got a real funky dog. They came out with those. Falling spike. Kill switch is here. Push it forward to kill it. Chokes here. And we're just a very nice, lightweight, powerful chainsaw. Here's where you fill the barn chain oil. Gas is back here. Fuel mix. Made in Sweden.